everyone, myself Chandana MN from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, studying in Computer Science and Engineering Department, and my USN is 1VE20CS028. And today's subject is Network Management, and my topic is Organization Model of Networking. First is Content. There are three types of networking organization model. First is two-tier networking organization model. Second is three-tier networking organization model. And third is networking organization model with MOM. First, let us see the definition for organization model. The organization model describes the components of network management and their relationship. Now, first let us see the two-tier networking organization model. In two-tier networking organization model, object consists of networking elements such as hubs, routers, bridges, etc. This networking organization model is divided into two types, that is managed and unmanaged object or elements. The managed elements have the management process running in them called as agent. The manager manages the managed elements, and there is a database in the manager but not in the agent. The manager inquires the agent and collects receives the management data and processes it and stores it in the data in its database. Here, this is the picture of two-tier management organization model where it has mob and manager. And as I said, the organization model is divided into two types, managed object and unmanaged object. First is the manager manages the managed elements, and the database is present in the manager but not in the agent. And here the function of the manager is to collect the information from the agent and process it and stores it in its own database. This is here only one manager is present, hence it is called as two-tier management organization model. Next is three-tier networking organization model. In three-tier networking organization model, there is the intermediate layer that acts as an agent and manager. The function of the manager is to collect the data from the network elements and process it and stores it in the database. And the function of the agent is to transmit the information to the top level of the manager. It transmits the information to the top layer of the manager. Example, an intermediate system is used for making a statistical measurement on the network and process the information as needed to the top layer of the manager. And intermediate network system could be at the local site of the network, and the information is pressed to the remote sites. As I said, this is a picture of a three-tier management organization model. There is two mobs, and as I said, it has had two intermediate layers, that is manager and the agent. Manager function is to collect the data from the networking elements and process it and stores it in the database, and the agent function is to transmit the information to the top layer of the management. And as we have seen the two-tier management organization model, the model was divided into two types, that is managed object and unmanaged object. Here also it is divided, the organization model is divided into two types, that is managed object and unmanaged object. And here it can be fixed at the intermediate layers can be fixed at the local site, and the information can be processed to the local site. This is the function of the agent or the manager. where the agent passes the information to the top layer of the manager. Next is network management with MOM. The network domains can be managed locally and globally. View of the network can be monitored by MOM, that is manager of managers. This configuration uses the enterprise network management system, and it is capable to organize organizations with the site distributed across the cities. Here, this is the picture of network organization with MOM. That the MOM refers to the manager of managers. There is one mob, and this is distributed into two types. That is local distribution and global distribution, where it has agent of network management system and manager in both global and local networks, where the network function is to collect the information from the from the transmit the information to the top layer of the manager. And this the agent networking system can be placed at the local site and can be and the information can be passed to the remote sites as the and the manager function is to collect the in collect the data from the data elements and stores it and process it and stores it in the database. Here, as we have seen before in two-tier and three-tier networking organization model, the model was divided into managed object and unmanaged object. But here, it is divided only into managed object from the global and a managed object from the local, and all the information from the agent and an agent network networking management system and manager, the information is passed to the managed object. This is all about organization model, an organization model of networking. In furthermore videos, we will learn more about network management. Thank you.